What does it mean to be American if not being born on American soil? Well, the case United States v. Wong Kim Ark cemented the principle of jus soli, right of the soil, in U.S. law. Imagine being born in San Francisco, but the government tells you, sorry, you're not a citizen. Wild, right? Let's talk United States v. Wong Kim Ark, the Supreme Court case that defined birthright citizenship. Back in 1898, Wong Kim Ark was born in San Francisco to Chinese parents. But thanks to the Chinese Exclusion Act, his family couldn't become citizens. Now, what was the Chinese Exclusion Act? It was the first significant law to restrict immigration based on nationality. It specifically targeted Chinese laborers, banning their entry into the United States for 10 years. It also denied citizenship to Chinese immigrants already in the U.S., who were then barred from becoming naturalized citizens. Political pressure and violence against Chinese communities created momentum for exclusionary policies. The Chinese Exclusion Act led to the formation of isolated Chinatowns and a bachelor society, as immigration restrictions separated families. When Wong returned from his trip to China, the United States slammed the door shut. They said he wasn't American, even though he was born here. He didn't back down. He took his fight all the way to the Supreme Court. And the verdict? If you're born on American soil, you're an American. No debate, no exceptions. Doesn't matter where your parents are from unless they're diplomats or enemy occupiers, such as troops in an invasion. So what happened with the Chinese Exclusion Act? The act was extended and made permanent in 1902 and remained in effect until it was repealed in 1943 during World War II, when China was a U.S. ally. Why does this matter now? Because today, some politicians still want to take that right away from kids born to undocumented parents. It shows a curious question. We pledge liberty and justice for all, but does all come with conditions? And if it were your child who was born on American soil, could you bear being told they're not truly American? But Wong Kim Ark's case makes it clear. You can't just change birthright citizenship with a new law. It'd take a constitutional amendment. Citizenship is protection, and thanks to Wong Kim Ark, it's a right, not a privilege.
Something bigger, a force or change, a light that's a trigger. When I walk in the court, stand tall and proud for every voice unheard. I'll shout it out.